Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making blender stir-fry sauce. Y'all, this stir-fry sauce is quick and easy. You truly just throw all of your ingredients into the blender to make it, and I can't wait to show you how to do it. Let's make some sauce. Grab your blender and throw in 2 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Then add a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. The toasted sesame oil is optional. If you don't do oil, you can leave it out, but it really brings a nice richness to the flavor of this sauce. So if you do oil, I really recommend you use it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce to the blender, 2 tablespoons of seasoned rice vinegar, and 1/3 cup of hoisin sauce. If you're not familiar with hoisin sauce, prepare to fall in love. It is a rich, thick, sweet and savory sauce that has an amazing flavor, and you can find it at most regular grocery stores. At the grocery store by me, it's in the international section, so if you have a section that's kind of like that in your grocery store, you'll find the hoisin sauce over there. After you add the hoisin sauce to the blender, add 2 teaspoons of arrowroot powder. If you're not familiar with arrowroot powder, don't worry, it's nothing strange or special. It's a starch that comes from the root of the arrowroot plant, and it works in place of cornstarch or potato starch as a thickener. You can find arrowroot powder in the spices section of your grocery store. If you're having trouble finding it there, check the natural foods section. Sometimes they stock it over there instead. Arrowroot powder is a lot like cornstarch. You can pretty much use it anywhere that you would use cornstarch. The only difference is that it's a little bit more delicate than cornstarch is. When it's subjected to heat for a long period of time, it can break down and lose its thickening ability. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and you are ready to blend. Puree this sauce until it's completely smooth and you are ready to stir fry. I recommend that you add half of this sauce at the beginning of cooking your stir fry so that it can bring in flavor to the veggies and tofu and whatever else is in your pan. Then add the other half during the last 3 to 5 minutes. Like I said earlier, arrowroot does break down under high heat after a long time, and so you want to add that last bit so that it'll thicken up but won't break down. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make this blender stir-fry sauce. If you have any questions that I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!